Hi students, today we are discussing about advertising budget. What is an advertising budget? Firstly, what do you mean by a budget? Budget is a financial statement of income and expenditure for a given period of time. We know. Okay, so advertising budget is also a statement of expenditure on various advertising activities and of income generated from advertising during that specific period. Okay, so we can say that an advertising budget is an estimate of a company's promotional expenditures over a certain time period. When creating an advertising budget, a company must weigh the value of spending an advertising dollar against the value of that dollar as recognized revenue. While we are sending a rupee, there must be a return or a revenue equal or more than that the amount or the rupee we have already spent. And on the basis of this, we are preparing an advertising budget. Okay, what is the statement which shows the expenditures on various advertising activities and the anticipation of income which is to be generated from advertising during that specific period. Okay, so we can say that advertising budget is a plan of expenditure to be incurred on the advertising campaign. Next, we are discussing about factors affecting advertising budget. First one, or the major factor which affect the advertising budget is corporate objectives. That means using the objective task method, the linkage between advertising expenditure and corporate objective will be established. That means the advertising expenditure varies depending upon the corporate philosophy and priorities. For example, in India, we find that public sector corporations spend less on advertising than private sector companies, such as Reliance or Tata, etc. That is, basically, one of the major factor influencing the advertising budget is the corporate objectives. That the private organization will have more corporate objectives to expand their market or to expand the or to build their goodwill or to be in a monopoly position. So such corporate objectives affects the advertising budget. That means based on the objectives, such corporations spend more on the advertising. Okay. That is one of the factor affecting the advertising budget. The next is the product life cycle. It's a very important factor which influences the advertising budget, and companies use the brand history method for deciding how to spend on the product. That is, the stage of development of the product is very essential or very crucial in determining the advertising budget. Okay. The next is the budgetary period. That is, usually companies have a yearly budget, but some may prepare long-term budget that match the long-term objectives. In normal cases, companies or the budgets are prepared for 1 year or yearly plan of expenditure or income. That is a budget. But in some cases, certain organizations or companies may prepare long-term budget in order to match with their long-term objectives. Okay. So budgetary period is also an essential factor affecting the advertising budget. The next is competitors' strategies. Basically, the advertising budget of the competitor is another factor affecting the advertising objectives. Product categories which have stiff competition witness a greater expenditure on advertising. Okay, for example, in India, the television manufacturers spend more than the manufacturers of earbuds. And in the present period, the mobile manufacturers, they spend more on advertising budgets comparing to the competitors' advertising budgets. That means when competitors increase their advertising expenditures, others are also forced to follow the competitors, or they have to spend more on the advertising expenditures. That is another factor. Then next factor is affordability. The advertising budgets have to be prepared according to the capacity of a firm. Okay. While the affordability level depends upon the advertiser's priorities, ceilings on how much to spend is fixed by the advertisers in order to avoid overspending. So, to avoid overspending, the companies or advertisers normally prepare a budget according to their affordability or according to their capacity, financial capacity. Next factor is crisis management. Even the best laid plans can be affected by the changes in the marketplace. Advertisers have to keep aside contingency funds that can be used to tackle unexpected market challenges during these periods. Especially, we can say that during this time or this crisis period or in this pandemic period, the advertisers or the manufacturers have to set aside certain funds for utilizing in such a crucial or contingency periods, unexpected market challenges they have to face. Okay, so such a crisis or the crisis management or the fund already set apart for such crisis management, it may lower the advertising expenditures or the amount spent on the advertising budget. Okay, so crisis management is another factor which may affect the advertising budget. Then next factor is the type of the product. Okay, we know that usually the consumer products, especially the consumer products they need more advertising than the industrial products. Okay, consumer products such as for example toothpaste, shampoos, soaps, etc. they need to be advertised frequently in order to maintain their brand image or brand position, or such products will have a higher budget appropriation, okay, comparing to the industrial products. The next is importance of middlemen. Okay, in certain product categories where middlemen or retailers have a push to they have a role to push the product. Normally, in such cases, manufacturers may prefer to spend more on dealer commission than advertising. Here, the dealers or the retailers or the middlemen, they may promote their or the manufacturer's products, and the company prefer to use retailers to push the brand. Most commonly in case of television, ovens, and so in these cases the retailers influence is very strong. Okay, but in the case of certain impulse purchase products such as chewing gum, chocolate, and ice cream, it may need more advertising. That in such type of products there is no middleman, so it need more expenditure on advertising. The next is the scope of the market. If the advertiser want to approach the national market or to horizon or to expand his horizon into a global market, he may need certain extra budget or extra amount to spend over the advertising process. So the scope of the market is another factor which determine the advertising budget. Whether the manufacturer or advertiser doing any regional marketing or any local marketing only, he have to spend a few or a limited amount in the case of advertising budget. But if he want to advertise his products in a national level or international level, there need a huge amount. Okay, so scope of the market is an essential element in determining the advertising budget. Next is the quality of the campaign. That means when the advertising campaign is striking and is unusually creative, it is immediately noticed by the consumers. In this case, the advertisers need not spend on buying media, time, and space. So, to compensate on poor quality campaign, an advertiser may have to spend more on media in order to enjoy the same degree of visibility. Okay, we already studied about the advertising campaign. Whether the campaign is something striking or something very creative or attractive, In these cases, or in such situation, the advertisers need not spend. There is no need to spend more on buying media or time space. It's already it has space in the minds of the consumers. Okay, so when the advertising campaigns are very poor or poor quality, he have to spend more on media. Okay, that means he have to concentrate more on media in order to make them to be more effective. Okay, these are the various factors affecting the advertising budget.